It's Oguaco.
Here he is.
Hi everybody, welcome back. All right, it's 20 minutes later.
Okay.
With our pot. Yep, our pot of gold.
All right, let's see it. Let's see what happened in these 20 minutes, Oguaco.
Okay.
Beautiful. Okay.
So this
all right.
Good. All right.
What's the next step, Oguaco?
We gotta blend it.
Oh, we gotta blend it?
We gotta blend it.
Dang, okay. Boy, the steam coming up. Okay.
All right, let's pour this in.
Okay,
right,
so I'm not
sure.
sure.
Spatula really quick.
Very hot. We're spilling a little. Can we get a towel, please?
Oh, you got a little piece of chunky monkey on the table there.
We got a little piece of chunky monkey on the table.
On the table. There, perfect.
Right there, man.
Very good.
Oh.
All right. It's okay.
Oh, oh
ready?
Shoot.
Let's count it down.
All right, let me see it.
3, 2, 1.
Okay.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
8.
All right, let's see what we got here.
Okay, let's see it.
I like how I felt the need to shout. All right, look at this beautiful orange piece of sauce.
Yo, Sarah, sure, let me get a spoon too.
Oh, sure.
Oh, very spicy.
Spicy?
Very hot.
No, it's not.
Oh, beautiful.
Preheat your oven.
Oh, preheat your oven? 425?
425 degrees.
Okay.
Fahrenheit.
Very good.
Really?
Too bad you can't tell the viewers the secret ingredient, but...
Yeah.
Oh, dang.
If you want to know the secret ingredient, you have to subscribe to Sword Not Sharp's channel and Oguaco Gaming channel.
Oh.
That's right.
Okay, I see it.
Okay. So what's the next step, Eric?
Nani.
I think we need more of that secret ingredient.
Oh, need more of the secret ingredient.
Right.
Let's get the secret
Let's
ingredient.
get that out.
Shoot, I can't show
We're
this.
gonna have to cut this part of the video.
We're gonna have to cut this part of the video. We'll be right back.
Oh shoot. I'll show you guys, don't worry about it. Crap. Come here, boy. What the?
We're definitely cutting that out.
Chill, bro. Let's see it. Oh.
There we go.
Is it hopping now?
It's hopping.
Okay. Wait, what's the secret ingredient? Boy, let the viewers go. Boy, you out here dodging and weaving? Damn! Oh my mother! Boy!
All right, we're back.
Oh,
this
what?
is Mama Mary's.
Mama Mary's. Okay.
Oh, not one but two pizza crusts?
Two?
2 for the value of 1. Mama Mary's.
Mama Mary's. Okay.
Yo, maybe you want to spoon it around everywhere.
Okay, so you're not sure spooning it around?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Ooh la la.
Ooh la la. Oh man.
Wow. So we have pizza cheese.
Okay, pizza cheese.
6 cheese Italian.
6 cheese Italian.
Whole milk mozzarella.
Whole milk mozzarella.
Uncured pepperoni.
Okay.
And ham.
And ham?
Okay.
I see it. Let's see this rain. Oh, nani.
Wow, there's nothing.
I know, that was literally like 5 pieces of cheese. Dang, looking good.
Yes, uncured pepperoni.
Okay.
We'll
Get that out there, not sure. Let's see that.
Hey, wow.
Okay.
Oh,
Here we are.
that's spicy, boy. I see it. Oh my gosh. Damn, boy, you put whole slices of ham. Okay.
We're not even gonna cut it or anything. Because
Boy, you ain't-
big boy pizza.
You ain't skimping, are you? You're just putting them whole slices. Okay.
We're not finished with a little more cheese. The 6 cheese Italian.
Oh, the 6 cheese Italian? Okay, covering the toppings with the cheese and covering that pepperoni with the cheese. I see it. The secret ingredient is pepper.
No, the secret ingredient is not pepper.
Oh. Wait, that's the secret ingredient? What the? Wait, get your... Let the viewers see the... Boy, let me get in there. Let me see. The viewers need to see the... Boy, if you
If
don't...
somebody can guess right what that is,
Yeah,
I'll
guess-
give them $5.
No, actually, guess what this is. Guess what it is. In the comments below, guess what you think the secret ingredient is.
Oh.
And then on stream, next time we stream, we'll
Shoot, come on. Dang it.
We'll reveal it next stream.
Okay.
Okay.
I see it.
Alright, so we got.
And when are you streaming next, Oguaco?
Alright, so I stream every Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 p.m. Central Time.
Okay. And Signature?
Same time alongside with Oguaco Gaming.
Yeah.
Okay, I see.
Exactly.
I like it.
Now we're just waiting for our oven to
We're just waiting for the oven.
So
400?
this time, and during this time, you can clean up a little bit.
Okay, I see it.
Spices back.
Oh!
Alright, it's pizza time.
It's pizza time.
It's a pizza time.
Pizza time.
425.
We gotta put that meme in the video. Pizza time.
Pizza time.
All right, let me see that going. Oh, la la. Okay. Now, how long are we putting this pizza in,
We're gonna
Oguaco?
put it in 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
10 minutes.
See, I think it's ready. What do you think?
Do we think it's ready?
I'm not sure.
Let me take a look.
I'm not
What does Toffee Viz
I
think?
like my pizzas a little bit more brown.
Little browner?
Yeah.
Okay, so how many more minutes, Oguaco?
2 minutes.
Two more minutes.
Three.
2 minions?
Minutes. You know
3
why?
more minutes.
Number 3, my lord.
Well,
So-
how come every single cooking segment there was a Shrek?
I know, for real.
Why did I know that was a Shrek meme? Why did
Because
I-
y'all watch Shrek together, like, every week?
Exposed.
So, not sure, pizza fact.
Pizza pack. So, it started off, pizza that is, in Italy.
Okay.
Wow. Okay.
Yes. it
What,
is.
what next? You're not sure. What happened next?
Now what had happened was, they took the pizza pie into the ship, the Santa Maria.
Oh, the Santa Maria.
The Santa
Oh.
Maria.
Oh,
The
and
Santa Maria.
And that's where
That's
the
where
crust
pizza crust.
came from.
Or
Mama Mary's
Mama Mary.
came from Santa
Yes,
Maria.
there is.
Oh, I
That's the relation.
see.
He
Okay.
knows this.
Pizza fact.
Hey, okay. Pizza fact.
Fact.
Pizza fact.
What the? Dang. Bring it, okay. Bring it down.
Okay.
The orange justice. Oh, 100%.
Good job, Hannah. She keeps the kitchen clean. She's our star.
She's the maid,
Or me.
or I'm not sure sometimes. Well,
Well,
boy, how much longer for this pizza? I'm hungry, boy.
This is 100% ready.
That's 100% ready. Ready? All right, let's hit. Boy, what is that pizza cutter, boy?
This is a pizza cutter.
That's so small,
that's
boy.
the smallest pizza
It's like
cutter.
my avocados.
Oh, just like your avocados, honey. You're like, yeah, let's not put that in.
Man, who knew a pizza could be so jiggly?
Oh.
Check this jiggle out. Look at that.
Jeez, bro, chill with the pizza jiggle. No. Now, Oguaco, how long should it cool before cutting?
1 minute.
Un minuto?
1, 100, 2, 100, 3.
Boy, you think I'm gonna sit here and wait? Never, bye.
6 100.
7, 100,
9 100.
10, 100, 11, 100,
Boy.
13, 100, 12, 100.
What the? Y'all don't know how to count.
14, 100,
15 100. 16 100. 17 100. 18
Okay, 100, okay, let's go.
20 100. Fast forward. Fast forward.
100, let's go, let's cut. Boy, you think I'm gonna sit here waiting? No, stop. Oh my, I gotta go, see y'all later. Hannah, they're being crazy. What are they doing? What are they doing? What are they doing? Bro, can y'all stop counting? Boy, it's gonna get cold. Can we? What? You were at 50. Why are you at 40? What? Bro, y'all don't know how to count. How did we get outside?
59, 100, 60, 100.
Boy, oh my gosh.
8 slices. The typical.
Is that typical?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Yeah,
Is that a pizza fact?
that is a pizza fact.
Okay.
Pizza fact.
Oh,
And the pizza has 8 slices.
but what if it was 7 slices?
That's cursed.
Nope, that's cursed. That's cursed.
That's cursed? What does Hannah think?
Hannah thinks she wants some pizza.
You want some pizza, Hannah? So how long did this whole process take, Oguaco? Bro, why are you
2
taking a
hours.
picture? It took 2 hours to make this one pizza?
You're late.
I'm not paying for those.
Yeah, give or take.
Give or take 2 hours?
Well, because you had to do the sauce and you had to do the pizza assembly.
The sauce, I think, took.
Or you could head over to Domino's and get yourself a pizza.
Or you could get over to Domino's, but it would not be as fun.
The secret sauce makes it all worth it.
It does. It does. The secret sauce takes time to make, but it's really worth it. Okay, it's very worth it.
How does it taste? That's what the viewers want to know.
Cheers.
Ah, cheers.
Oh, cheers. Hey, okay. Oh, is it hot? Oh, shoot. Boy, let me get a try.
Oh.
Let me get in here.
Please take one.
There you
Oh,
go.
arigato, senor. Thank you.
Arigatou.
Okay, let me try this, boy.
Everybody, cheers.
Everybody,
Cheers.
cheers.
Oh, let me get in here. Hold on.
Kompai.
Kompai!
It's very cheesy.
Dude, that's bopping.
I stand by this product 100%.
This goes great with some Oguaco Gaming mash.
Okay, that Oguaco Gaming Chunky Monkey Mash.
The Oguaco
Okay.
Gaming Monkey mash. Links in the description.
So you're saying they could go back to your link video and add the guaco mash to the pizza?
Yeah, you should serve it alongside. It goes really great.
Okay, I see it. I see it. So I'm not sure. What does it go good with? What else?
One eternity later.
I'm not so sure.
Oh, you're not so sure?
Question. But what I would say is we did a lovely job on this pizza.
That's true.
That is true.
That's true.
Very good job, guys.
Very good job. All right, well, thank you everyone for joining us.
Okay. Arigato, everyone. Thank you.
Yep, thank you everyone for joining. Make sure you smash that like button.
Hey.
This is Oguaco Gaming.
Oguaco Gaming.
Sure.
They're not sure.
And they're not sure.
Signing out. Oguaco out.
Oguaco out.
Guaco out.